Hi everyone, Motti Marili is here. Welcome to my channel. Today, I want to share with you a new strategy that I've learned in the book Profit First for Mike Michalowicz. Any entrepreneur thinks that the profit of the business is sales minus expenses, but this is not true. Today, I want to share with you the strategy that I learned in the book and how any business can take profit from the business from the first day. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and please hit the bell button below so you will be notified every week when I upload a new video. And please like my video and help me rank the video in the YouTube algorithm. With this said, let's begin. Your business is a cash-eating monster. Most entrepreneurs think that the more revenue they will make, the more sales they will make, the more successful they will be, and the more profit they will take home. But this is not true. In the book, Mike gives a nice example on small plate and big plate. When you will have a big plate, you will put in the plate more food and you will eat more. But when your plate is smaller, you're still gonna fill the plate with a lot of food and you will eat all the plate. So when you have a smaller plate, you eat less. When you have a big plate, you eat more. So here, if you have a business and you have one bank account, and in this one bank account you have $10,000 and you need to manage your business with this $10,000 budget, you will find a way how to spend the money and how to manage your business with this $10,000. But if you will have a bank account with only $4,000, for example, and you need to manage your business with this $4,000 budget, you still gonna find a way to manage your business with this budget. You will be creative, you will find a way how to cut expenses and how to manage your business with this only $4,000 budget. Today, I will show you what Mike teach in the book and how Mike teach to divide the revenue of the business. In the book, Mike teach to open 5 different bank accounts and to manage your business from those accounts will be much more easier because you will know every moment how much money you have in your business and how much money you have as a profit. The 5 different bank accounts that Mike teach to open, it's profit account, income account, tax account, owner compensation account, and business operation account. Those are the 5 different bank accounts that Mike teach to open. So the first step for you is to go to your bank and open these 5 different bank accounts. The first bank account that you want to open is income account. In this income account, you deposit all the revenue of the business, all the sales that you make, all the money that come into the business, you deposit into income account. The second account that you want to open is a tax account. The tax account is account where you put money that you will go only to pay the taxes. Every homeowner need to pay taxes every year or every quarter, it depends on your business. And when you deposit money to your business, you put money on the side to pay for taxes. The third account that you want to open is operation account. Operation account is account where you manage your business from. You pay for your employee, you pay for rent, marketing, all the expenses of the business come from the operation account. The fourth account that you want to open is owner compensation. Owner compensation is account where you pay for yourself. You are the most valuable employee for your business, so don't underestimate your work that you do for your business. And in the owner compensation, it's money that you pay for yourself. Now the fifth account that you need to open is a profit account. a profit account. It's an account where you take the profit of the business and you deposit to this account. Later on, I will teach you how to do the allocation percentage for each account and how to use this money. The profit account can use for emergency, also for your business. If something happens, you know that you have money there and you can pay for your other expenses you have. So those are the 5 accounts that you need to open: owner compensation, operating, income, tax, and profit. After you open these 5 different bank accounts for your business, that's when you want to sit down and think how you allocate this revenue, how you divide the revenue of the business, and what is your allocation percentage. Now, the way you do it, you have 5 different bank accounts. Now, the first one is profit. The first one is profit, so you don't need to do any allocation for that. For this account, you deposit 100% of your revenue, all the money that come into the business, you deposit to your profit account. So you don't need to do any allocation for that. And then you have profit, you have tax account, owner compensation, and operation. With these 4 bank accounts, you need to divide your revenue. And before you do the list, you want to understand 2 things. You want to understand what is current allocation percentage and what is target allocation percentage. Now, because it's something new that you do for your business and you're not used to divide the revenue of your business, in the beginning, don't make a big change. So when you start with tax, for example, you know that you put aside 10% for taxes every time when money come into your business. So but your target is 15%. So you name the account tax account, and then you can write CAP, current allocation percentage, is 10%, but my target is to put aside 15%. So I write TAP, target allocation percentage, 15%. So anytime when you divide the revenue, you know how many percent from this amount you deposit to the tax account. And then you have owner compensation. Owner compensation is account where you pay for yourself. In this account, for example, if you take in 20% from the revenue, you pay for yourself. So you write CAP 20%, but if your target allocation percentage is to pay for yourself 20, 25, 30% or 35%, then you write CAP 30%. Now you have the operation account. The operation account is the account where you pay all the expenses. So this is the most big one. And with this one, the same. If you have in your operation account current allocation percentage of, I don't know, 60% for example, but your target is to go down to 50%, so you write CAP 60, TAP 50. And for profit account, in the book, Mike don't recommend to start with a big amount for the profit because you are not used to that and you don't want to make a big change for your business. So with profit, you recommend to start with 1 or 2%. So you do CAP, current allocation percentage, 1 or 2%, but your target allocation percentage could be 10 to 15%. When you make the list, you want to make sure that all the percentage together in CAP it's 100% and TAP, target allocation percentage, is 100%. It can't be more than 100 and it can't be less than 100. And this is how you divide the revenue of your business. After you open your 5 different bank accounts and you make the percentage allocation list, now this is the time to make your first distribution. Now how you make the first distribution? You make the distribution only twice a month. You don't want to do the distribution every week or every few days. You can do the distribution every 10th of the month and every 25th of the month. This is the best way for you to do it. What you do, you go into your income account, that's the money where you have all the revenue of the business, and then you work with a list. Actually, is the name on the account, like we talked before. So if your tax account current allocation percentage is 10%, so in your income account you have $10,000, you deposit $1,000 to your tax account. And if your operation account is 55% current allocation percentage, you deposit to this account $5,500. And this is how you do the distribution. You're doing it twice a month. Now there is a quarterly distribution. A quarterly distribution, it's when you use your profit, when you take the profit from your business. Every quarter you can take the money that you have in your profit account. Let's say that after a quarter you have $5,000 in your profit account, and this is a time where you can celebrate and take the money and use it for anything that you want. You can use this money for vacation, you can use this money for buy a new car or whatever you like, a new watch. Mike also recommended the book not to take the whole money from your profit account. For example, if you have $5,000 after a quarter in your profit account, don't take the whole $5,000. Take only half of it. Take $2,500 for yourself, use it for vacation and buy whatever you like to buy for yourself. Celebrate, enjoy this money. This is the profit of your business, and leave $2,500 in the bank, in the profit account as an emergency funds for your business. So all the time, if something happens for your business, you always have emergency fund in the profit account, and you can use that for emergency. Now, every quarter, you also want to change your percentage allocation. Like we say, you have your current allocation percentage and you have your target allocation percentage. So if in the tax, for example, your current allocation percentage is 10%, but your target allocation is 50%, after a quarter, you change it with 1%. So you go, current allocation percent right now will be 11%, and then you have to change the other percent from a different account. So if you raise the tax account in 1%, you have to take it down from your operation account. For example, if your operation account was 55%, but the target is 45, so then you take down to 54 and take this 1% from the operation and move it to the tax. So in the end of it, again, you always want to stay with 100%. Any account that you raise, you take down from another bank account. And this is the quarterly distribution. You take the profit and you change your target allocation and make sure that everything stays 100% all the time. This is how you do every twice a month, the distribution, and every quarterly distribution. This is how you do it. In conclusion, profit first is a way of living. Use this strategy that Mike teaches in the book. Start with 5 different bank accounts. Start with a percentage allocation and start divide your revenue of your business. Start to take profit from your business. Start to celebrate and enjoy your hard work. You can also open another different bank account as you want. If you have an employee and you want to pay them payroll, you can open different bank account only for payroll, or if you need to buy equipment for your business, you can open different bank account only for equipment. You can play with it, and the more you do it, the more money you will save, the more profit you will take home, and the more motivated you will be to make more money in your business. So use this strategy. I will also share a link here down below to the book. Thank you very much for watching me today. I hope I added value to your life today. Please leave a comment below and tell me what is your percentage allocation. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you next time.